Hello viewers. This is Peugeot 406. That's something I discovered about this car. I don't really know about other cars, maybe Mercedes, um, Corolla, Nissan, and all that. I made a findings some time ago. My radio stopped working, and I took it to electrician, and they checked all the fuses from the bonnet and also from this box, and everything seems okay, and the problem was still there. What happened is that sometimes the radio comes on and the radio goes off on its own, especially when I turn up the volume, it will just go off. But when the volume sometimes is very low, it keeps. So I knew it was a current failure or a partial contact, but I didn't know where it was coming from. So I thought it was maybe fuse was shaking and all that, but it turned out not to be. So after everything the electricians have done and they couldn't solve the problem, I decided to sit down and take it up myself. So what I discovered is the antenna wire behind this box, I'm going to show you, runs to the rooftop where you have the antenna outside. There is antenna outside here now on the roof. So this antenna wire here is a coaxial wire. The coaxial, the neutral of it, is tied on the body of the roof. The body of the roof. That neutral is the neutral for the radio. So once you pull out this radio now and you turn it on, once you unplug the antenna from the radio, once you unplug it, the radio automatically goes off. So the neutral of that antenna wire here, when you open this box, you're going to see it. The neutral of that wire here is the neutral for the current supply of the radio. So what happened is that the roof, the surface of the body, the roof surface was somehow rough. Maybe you can say rusty, or you can say whatever. So what I did was loosen it up, the bolt, bring out there's a little panel there. Then you clean the face, the face, the body, the roof face. You clean it, then you retighten it properly, and automatically the problem was solved. Let me show you the antenna wire here, so that can help you. That can help you to know what I'm talking about. Now, you see this wire? This is the antenna wire. You see? This is the antenna wire. Once you turn off this radio now and you pull out this antenna, it's a coaxial wire, just a two wire, negative and positive or whatever. So the neutral of this wire is the main source of the supplier of this radio, and it's tied to the roof, to the body of the car. So once it's not properly contacting here, this radio will not work, and the display here will automatically goes off. This is the display. So Please, if this video is helpful to you in any way, please comment to help the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.